What do you think of the MDC camper, Phil? One of the bigger ones.
It is. It's got so much room in terms of its living area space and also storage space. It's just fantastic. And, yeah.
For you and the family, mate, you're going to fit them all in, aren't you?
Yeah, look, I really like the way that it's actually set up for a family. You know, like young kids, you can set them up in bunks or whatever in the room right next to the main bedroom, for example.
Yep.
And they can see you there, and you can tell them to be quiet and go to sleep or
Keep
whatever
an
you
eye
need
on
to
it.
do.
Yeah, if they're nervous and stuff.
Yeah, like if the young kids and they've been camping before. No, it's all too easy in this camper. It's good, well designed.
Look, if you've got a big family and you're going to be setting up for a while, like, you know, look, let's face it, if you're setting up for an overnight, it's going to take you a little bit longer being a soft floor than a hard floor.
Yep.
So it's going to take you a little bit longer, but if you're going to set up for a holiday, wait for family for a week, have a look at it. It's just terrific. The access is great. The roof area is great. Tropical roof, PVC floors all the way through. Everything's enclosed, so you're not going to get the mozzies and the bugs into you all the time.
Yep.
Yeah, mate, that's a lot of camper food, a lot of bang for the buck.
We're looking at a budget trailer again. A lot of bang for your buck.
A lot of bang for your buck. Under 15 grand, just 14,990. Lots of canvas, lots of room for the kids. Great for the family. The guy that wants to go camping once, twice a year, set up for the week, 10 days, Fraser Island, Morton Island.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect for him.
It's a lot of camper for 15 grand,
It
absolutely.
sure is. Were you surprised?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think, basically this camper is really targeted at young families. They've got a couple of kids, maybe 3 kids even. There's heaps of space, internal tent space with your annex and full walls there, and also there's an additional annex room off the front here. So you've got, loads of space inside. So it's great for mum and dad and the kids.
A lot of camper for the money.
Yeah.
For a family on a budget, a couple of kids, mortgage. Gee, you get this is a great package for them. If you're going away down the coast for a couple of weeks, got the kids on a day like today when it's overcast and drizzly, and the kids, there's room for them to run around, muck about in here and play. You get a lot of little extras. I was genuinely impressed with what you get here.